Alright guys, here we go. Another 5-break night for me. Nick thought he'd sell out Classic Sigs and have a look at her, so thanks Nick for buying the last 5 teams. And here we go. Keith, DJ Bays, Glenn, welcome back. You were in one of my breaks a while ago. Welcome back. Got a whole bunch of stuff. You guys want to check out 643boxbreaks.com. Did my auction tonight. Gave away 2 boxes and 2 case spots. So all you needed was 2 teams to have a chance at that. So that's just a sample of the prizes we have over at 643. Nope, not too many different people. Ed's in there. Ed, missing in action. I'm guessing you can't log on chat or something. I'm just saying. Mr. Bugs got Quebec again. Welcome back. Bunch of Keith got our Leafs in there, buddy. All right. So some darts for Chuck and DJ Bass. Whoa. Okay. DJ Bass X 2. It's DJ Bass times 2. No sex involved. And DJ Bass, Keith, and Nick. Oh, some weird shenanigans going on. Alright. Chucky, 3 darts for you. Double 10. Probably going to pull that 6 that West needed now. Oh, double 12. And triple single 14. Alright, DJ Bass, 6 darts for you, buddy. Buying DJ Bass on fire. Look at a massive pile of cards I just shipped across the pond. Double 5, double 4, double 2. I do love Final Vaults. Triple 2. Boom Sauce U. Don't mind Classic Sigs either. Single 20. I'm not going to be listing up one right away. Probably tomorrow-ish. Another box. And triple 3. So there we go. 6 darts for DJ. And wheel spin starting with DJ. Then we got Keith. Then we got Nick. All kinds of nice stuff filling on our site. We got a hit draft that's almost sold out. We got a 10-box case of masterpieces. Awesome. Random team. And we got Zach's got a box of showcase up with half gone already. I'm gonna give her a look. St. Louis Blues for DJ Bass. So that is an extra dart for you. Another dart for the pile there. Gotta excuse me, after around 4 or 5 breaks I start getting a little wiggy. 777 for you. You guys probably won't know the difference because perma wiggy anyways. Keith. Oh, Wes. Stop it. Calgary, 2 darts for Keith. That's a Canadian team. Almost knocked a pack of top loaders over too. Which reminds me I gotta buy a case of top loaders too this week. Double 17. Oh, and that's it. Oh no, 2 darts. Double 17 and single 9. Alright, I'll be okay. And Nick getting the 5 plus wheel spin. The Capitals. Oh. Is a dart for you. You got triple 15. Too shabby. Right. I don't know if I'll get all these cricket updated tonight, but we'll see, guys. So if you don't see your standings updated, I'll do it tomorrow. I got a bunch of breaks to process. Actually, I'll probably do it because I got to do cash starts. Boo. Alright, so that's it. We're on 14s for all the autographs. We're going to get 14 for somebody. Here's our serial number as posted on the eBay listing. You can see that. There we go. They have Series 2 on that now? Oh, it's all Series 1. Yeah, he is. He actually gave me a Rhymer foil last night. For free. Oh, Series 2 goes live tomorrow? Okay. I'm just playing the free version, get my pack, and moving on. I do have a McCann Young Gun, though. Billy Smith. Ron Sutter. Andy Bathgate on the back. Ray Bork. For Colorado and Keith. Retired numbers. And mine is Subter Hockey. If you want in. For the Philadelphia Flyers and Yak. Hey, Ed Van Imp. I remember him. Cool. Got a nice little weird auto there. You can almost read it. It almost looks like his name. What's going on? That's going to get you a double 14 for your pile. Got this one up. I want to mix it up. Got some of the new Panini Anthology 15-16 coming tomorrow. Unlicensed leftover rookies. Be cool. Hey, JR. There's a mouth for you. For Phoenix. And that's DJ Bass, the Dallas Phoenix listing. This is really actually one of the 2 cards for Phoenix, I think, in this product. And for the Winnipeg Jets, DJ Bass. Brian Mullen. Brian Mullen. Okay, I don't remember Brian Mullen too much. Joe Mullen, not Brian. Dave Taylor for the Kings. I knew Chuck get a piece of something in this break. Probably got 4 more King autos coming for Chuck in this pack. And for the Nucks, Nick, you're on the board. You got an auto. Cliff Ronning, sweet. I like Cliff Ronning. Brian would like that one. Is Brian left already? Yeah, Brian would definitely like Cliff Ronning. Oh, it's actually dinged up. Wow, I haven't seen too many of these ding. That top corner and that top corner is a little dinged up. A little tiny bit there. That's like the first one I've seen dinged up for SIGs. Mike Richter, New York Rangers. And is that Ed? Yes, Ed. There you go. Yeah, no way. For the Hartford Whalers, could it be? I have a McCann, Vancouver McCann, young guy. Hartford Whalers is Taz. Taz left already, eh? Oh, yeah, not too bad though. Jeff Sanderson, I remember him. That's pretty cool. There you go, Tazer. It's gonna get you a double 14. 2 packs to go. Interesting. Brett Hall for the St. Louis Blues and Yak. And this pack is a Yak pack because this card's going to Detroit and Yak. It is Norm Ullman. There's some nice retro vintage dude. And I'll use the scissors on this one too. Don't want to bend the cards up. The packs are pretty hard to open. You know what? Oh, what is that? Something different in this one. I see ink up here. I never see ink up here. Really? They called me Gringo, eh? So New York, the Jets, DJ Bass, Dale Howardchuk. No, it's not upside down. It's sideways. Oh, it's the original. Sweet. Wow. Daryl Sutter. That's cool. For Chicago out of 100. The originals. That's an interesting card. Original 6 auto. Out of 100. One of the Sutter brothers. This is the Daryl version. Very cool. I like that. I haven't pulled one of these before. So, and there we go. So that one's going to DJ Base. You're on fire, buddy. All right. SIGs in the books, guys. Pretty decent box. The last couple boxes I had were a lot better, but stuff is pretty cool. All right. Thanks a lot for your support. We'll see you on the next one.